You're annoying. So they can see me from the mirror. And this is Ryu. Hey, this is Zoe. She's the crazy one. This is me and Zoe. Remove it. I don't. Ginagawa mo? No, magiging sala yun, guys. Come on, guys, let's go. Guys, puntahan natin. Halika, puntahan natin.
It's like a living room, okay?
Come on, guys. Go check. Come on.
Oh, click.
Wala kaming apprehend during the operation.
And click.
We don't need to contact.
No, where's the sticker here? Kayo ah. Pinimog yung sticker ko doon. Do I pay? Okay. Matapos yun. Kaya mahal.
So this place is getting fixed. They're painting.
I don't like the smell.
Yes, may nakaupo ko nga. Ano ko?
Nahubad yung shirt mo.
What?
Nahubad yung shirt mo.
Thank you.
You can go downstairs.
I wish I could color this dot.
Hindi mo nakita natin siya ko.
Oh, you want to be Jevin, huh?
Yeah. I want like a black wall and there's pink dots.
Zoe, you don't want it to be Blackpink.
Oh, be careful.
Then I just wash my feet, guys. It's crazy. Man, we're not gonna sound to Zoe, right? Ah! Hey, Rhea.
Gagawin nyo?
Look. Gala part 2.
Ano part 2? Pwede yung OB. Bakit mo alam?
BT2, BT2. Okay, let's go! Wala lang. Di mo ito mahuli. How ka?
Sa ate ko. Kailangan mo yung tablet.
Ano? Hindi pa, mamaya na. Hindi pa. Wala, sasamahan lang si Zoe.
Saan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano bibili nyo?
Oh no.
Sama lang ako.
Baka mawala mo yan. Ano bibili mo?
Ang dami pang nasa school ah.
Bilan nga.
Hello! Say hello!
Call 911.
Only Tagalog persons can understand me. Only Filipino people can understand me. Anyways. You hear that?
Let's go mga people!
Yan. Yan yung sinasabi kong Tagalog only can understand me. Kung lagot-lagot ka. Guys, it's been 3 minutes na. 3 minutes na, guys! 4 minutes na.
Amin na.
Hello.
Ay, wala.
Aray!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Nabiling for na. Ayan. Yung labububag. Labububag. Ano ba yan?
Kung mawala yan, sa akin yun.
Naka-record lang ako, guys. Hello!
Sana. 20? 10. Okay.
Naka-record kami. Ah, sorry.
John.
Hi! Ito si Rayu, guys, oh. Ito si Rayu. Ano ba? Rayu.
Ayun, mamamatay ka.
Kakain ako? Okay. Sige, oh. Punta tayo sa bahay ko, guys. Sige.
Hey, yoko. Kaya na on you. Ayo.
Dapat! Mami, ah! Where you wanna go in my house?
Mom. Chicken.
Where you wanna sama? Let's go to the dirty Escanita. Aray, post ko rin to sa YouTube, guys.
Wag. Wag. Okay, paano mo yan? Open.
Guys, halika, punta tayo sa bahay ko.
No. Ayoko.
Dali na.
Muna.
Ha?
Hello, Zubi.
Kalbo.
Hindi, kakain na muna.
Kami, guys.
Ay, wait lang.
Ano? Guys, tingnan nyo to.
Wait lang.
Bakit yan? Teka lang. Wait. They don't love me like I love you. Yeah. Wait. They don't love me like I love you. Yeah. Na. Swag. They don't love me. Okay, let's go. Go. Chun.
Dapat ginaganto ko para makita yung paa ko.
Ganun mo.
Guys, walking in the forest. Walking.
Ano ulam? Ano yung pork chop? Ay, nako. Ayun si Zoe Baliw. Lagi siyang nasigaw. Hindi ko alam bakit.